Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Minty token. Ticker symbol is MTY. This token was trending number 1 today on Pink Sale. Now it's trending number 2. The pre-sale is almost over in a couple minutes. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The MTY token, Minty. So they have a full audit. They were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pink Sale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons. So they had a public pre-sale here on pinksale.finance. It's almost done in a few minutes. They've already had 314 different contributors invest in this pre-sale. Soft cap was set low at 20 BNB, and they ended up selling well over 156 BNB worth of tokens. Very successful pre-sale. They have a Discord, Instagram. You can find their Telegram at VIDDLY, Viddli. So Viddli is basically the project, and Minty is the token within the project, within the Viddli ecosystem. They also have a Twitter, which is at Viddli app. So obviously Viddli has its own app. You can tell by the name. And their official webpage is viddli.com. So it says Binance Broadcasters, Web3 development company Early Minters brings you the Minty token, which is the native governance token of Viddli. So Viddli is a revolutionary social media app that pays its users for engaging with content hosted on the Viddli platform. With a 150,000 strong community on Binance Live, we managed to develop a successfully launch our beta version on the Google Play Store. With more stores coming soon, earn Minty tokens by either writing or reading articles and convert them to fiat later on. So basically it's like a utility token and a governance token, a DAO token that enables voting rights. 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 250 million tokens. Initial market cap estimate, $77,381. Now, their tokenomics are split up like this. So it's allocated 30% goes to pre-sale, 17.1% goes to liquidity, 20% development, 10% marketing, 7.9% team, and 15% goes to central exchanges. Now, there is a free and quick light audit here in the discussion section, and it says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there in their quick audit. No bad warnings or red flags or anything whatsoever. Now, if you want to get this token, shortly after the pre-sale, this token will be listed on PancakeSwap. You'll be able to see when the pool is filled by following their Twitter or their Telegram, any one of their socials. I'm sure they will announce when the PancakeSwap pool gets filled. Basically, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, trade your BSC for the Minty token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Viddli.com. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. So if you go to their official webpage, Viddli.com. You can find a light paper, frequently asked questions. You can buy NFT glasses, it says. All their socials are on here. You can change the language. There's a full audit, home section. You can download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And it says, explore thousands of different topics. With Viddli, you can explore a world of limitless knowledge and opportunities. This innovative app allows you to earn money by just using it. Whether you prefer to read or write articles, Viddli allows you to explore thousands of different topics while earning free money. To earn, collect Minty bubbles. Earn money on Viddli by popping Minty bubbles. Simply browse the app and collect bubbles for Minty, so that is EMTY rewards, which are converted into the Minty token cryptocurrency at the end of the month. So basically you earn Minty, collecting them on the app when you're using the app, and then at the end of the month they will convert those into the MTY token, and then you'll be able to do what you want with those tokens, hodl them or exchange them for fiat, whatever. Earnings are generated by sponsored ads on the Viddli home screen. Use the Minty NFT glasses to increase your earnings. Download the app and start earning money right away. So that's kind of like Steppen has their shoe. If you own an NFT shoe, you can earn more tokens when you go walking than you would if you rented the shoe from somebody else. Kind of the same thing. If you have the NFT glasses, it's going to help you with the Minty tokens on this application. Trending articles on a daily basis. So get on the trending list to gain even more exposure and earnings. Download Viddli now to maximize your earnings potential through writing. Begin earning money right away. So earn Minty and exchange it for real money. With Viddli, you can turn your browsing time into real money. Users are rewarded with eMinty, which are virtual points within the app and automatically converted to Minty, a publicly available ERC20 token on the Binance Smart Chain on a monthly basis. Begin earning money on Viddli. Now, they have frequently asked questions like, how do I earn MTY? Will I have direct access to my MTY? What is the distinction between eMinty and Minty? How does Viddli pay creators and users? What will happen to eMinty when I delete my account? What features can I find inside the Viddli app? Where can I exchange my Minty? And what is the contract address? So, besides that, their light paper is available. It is 16-page light paper. And on the light paper, you can go over disclaimer, foreword, an introduction to the Viddli app, view to earn, the Minty economy, bridging Web 2 and Web 3, the Viddli wallet, the ad platform, the token, the tokenomics, roadmap, and the team behind Viddli are all on their light paper, which you can find all on their official webpage, Viddli.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.